What's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Another day in the market, another week, man. Let's get to it. Urgent buys, urgent sales. See, right now the market going down. You know, Trump talking about putting tariffs on Canada for doing business with China. So there's always something, but take advantage of these times and these pullbacks. Don't think the rich when these things like this happen. Some people say they might crash the market on purpose just to make money. You need to follow them. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, urgent buys, urgent sales, nothing really urgent. We're gonna go down the list. Start with ABR. That's one that did trigger some buy limit orders. Ticker ABR. I'm a residential REIT. This is a real estate REIT. If you want to get involved in real estate, this will be the way to go. Don't pay out every month, pay out every quarter. But it's getting its butt whooped. Got a 17.18% dividend yield. 52-week low 757 with a high 1433. Just made a new 52-week low today. I went in and brought some at 762. And I done brought like 5 shares. They could trigger another order for me for 25 shares. I'm doing this for a swing trade. Going right now since I'm here, going to buy $2-3 worth. Now this thing going up and down. One day it's above the $8 mark, then it come back under 788, 786, 805, 809, 825. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. That's gonna go with ACH Arca Aviation, doing with the eVTOLs. They make the drones and everything for the military, etc. Anytime it's down, go get you a piece of that. I went and got $3 earlier. I'm gonna get another 3. This gonna be a long-term play too. Got a 52-week high at 52-week high is 1462 with a low of 548. I got this on the dollar-day recurring. We're gonna go with Bull, Webull. You know that's the brokerage company. Trading the platform. Got down to 771. Excuse me, 771. 52 2-week low 757. I take advantage of this at the $8 and under mark. All this take is one quarter of good earnings. This thing gonna go back up. I think it's gonna go back about to the 12 to the $14 mark. So go get you some of that. I like it at $8 and under. That's the only time I touch it. You got Hood. 104.83 it got down to is at 108. I think I did get a share I had at 105, so it did get one for me. But it's another one for you to get in to buy. Hood not going anywhere, and they making money. You know they getting into banking and all that kind of stuff. Most of these brokerage, these platforms, they doing banking now. They doing the stuff outside of crypto and stock. And they getting credit cards and all that kind of stuff too. We got LFT. Lumen Finance, 52-week low is 130. Time to go nibble at it. 52-week high is 284, 16% dividend yield. Does pay a dividend every quarter. Going at 135. Go pick up some of this. Looking, why am I buying this? This is gonna be a swing trade. I mean, I'm already not upside down in it, not that bad off. I'm at 173 now, so this can be a potential special. This always traded above the $2 mark, man. But it's gonna be a swing trade for me. And that's the reason why. And it's a dividend play. Got YMAX on its way back up. Got down to 980 today, going back above the $10 mark. I've been giving y'all this play for the longest. Yeah, I got 1,200 shares. I've been giving y'all this one alongside YMAX. I'm gonna go in at 980 for one share. I like this at the 10 and under. That's the only time I buy it. Well, about 10.05 and under. 980, 24 hours. If you want cash flow, weekly cash flow, is definitely one to buy. Out of all the yield maxes, this might be my favorite. This one in YMAG. I like this one, but YMAG seem to be a little more stable because that's trading the S&P 500. You got SRLN, the senior loan ETF, 41.29, starting to come on down. I like it around 41.10, 41.01, 41.05, but it's still a good price to get in. 6.87% dividend yield. And it pays out every month. Somewhere to pocket cash. For some safety, got SoFi. Y'all know this the future bank stock. Got down to 25.77. It's at 25.83. Anytime you can catch a pullback on this, go get your piece of it. Think I got $3 worth earlier today. So slowly building my shares up. Got IWMY. Options on the Russell 2000. Having a bad day today. I got this on $1 recurring at I got this on $1 a day. $1.25 a day, but this also pays out every week. It's risky, but you got to, how to say, no risk it, no biscuit. HRZN, 11 cents a share a month. I got over 1,200 shares. I make like $143 a month on this one. But since it's down on down days, I just go get another $2 worth, reinvest some of the dividends, lowering my average cost. Definitely got a high dividend yield on this one, man. You talking about a 19.85%. Got YBIT. Options on Bitcoin. People still predict Bitcoin gonna go to $200,000, $400,000. I got this on $1 a day. He's talking about that in a couple years. So this the time you want to be accumulating. So when this does decide to go up, like I said, I got on $1 a day recurring on red days. I just go get another $3 worth. Just building up my shares slowly. And lowering my average cost at the same old time. Got MSTY. You know, that goes along with Bitcoin. Bitcoin down, MSTY going to be down also. 52-week low, 28.83. So on down days, I do the same. This also pays out every week. Where you reinvest some of your dividends and put the rest in the other plays. Coney down today, 1.62%. Another thing, go get you a little piece of it. Like I say, you don't want to load up, or you can do like I do, leave it on $1 a day recurring. And let it just do its thing. DEA at 23.15. This one been up a couple of days ago. Nice quarterly dividend yield. Your little cough drop. Ain't sick. All right, IIPR 48.66 today. Marijuana stock. Got this in my Cash App portfolio. 15.31% dividend yield. 52-week low, 44.58. High 75.71. It was about $123 stock at once, but if y'all like marijuana stocks, want to get into it, they rent out the warehouses to the marijuana growers. So that'll be one. I got that in my Cash App portfolio. HPP, stay out of this one. I'm lowering my average cost to sell it, to get rid of it. TCPC, we're gonna go to next. Think they just had some bad news just came up. This is BlackRock. Y'all know they the ones buy up all the real estate and stuff. Got down to 488 today. I got to do some research on the news. Stock slides 14% is fun flags. Bad news. Okay, 17.06% dividend yield. Well, all REITs and BDCs getting beat up right about now anyway. You know, people gonna panic. So I'm going in at 476. I'm definitely going to buy some of this. How many shares I got? Okay. I'm gonna go get some. When they buy, when they sell, you need to be buying. When they buying, you need to be selling. I'm gonna get me 5 shares of this. Just in case it come down some more. I'll throw another 3-5 at it. Another one, long-term play, Charge Point. Risky play. They make the EV charging stations down to 644 today. Like players like these, they just have one good earnings. That day it's gonna squeeze. When it squeezes, when you take advantage of it. That's all everybody waiting for. Just some good news. Just like Trump come out and say tariffs on Canada, how it sell off the market is how the market works. Good news, good words, a good anything right then and there. It squeezes, scalp profits, leave the rest to run. Or if you want to exit that position, you get out of it. GPMT, not buying none of that today. I know it was down. But I'm at 220s at 219. That's everything I had on the list. Let's go check out traps. I see, ain't splurging really like that on nothing. Just trying to lower my average cost and stuff. I meant this weekend, I think I'm about to exit all of my bank stocks. Like you heard me say before, I'm going to just deal with Capital One, American Express, Discover is Capital One. So Capital One, American Express, Visa, and MasterCard. I'm going to deal with just credit card companies. And Robinhood also a bank stock now. I'm going to deal also with SoFi and Webull. Them going to be my only financials. I'm about to set my buy limits probably tonight at the 52-week highs and make my exit. It's a lot of competition out here for bank stocks, man. So I'm going to deal with the credit card companies because people are going to stay in debt. Kraft Heinz, even though all the news about Buffett selling his shares, they having a pretty decent day. I've been buying this at 23 and under. I'm at 25.86 now. I ain't gonna lie, that's another one I'm gonna make my exit out on. I think people gonna buy it just for the dividend play. How the dividend payout history is just a safe stock. But just telling you now, you're not gonna get no price appreciation out of it. You might get $28 at the most. I'm thinking it's that one and with General Mills. So just gonna be like a nice little dividend play, but don't expect no growth out of it, no price appreciation. As you can see, the REIT sector getting beat up. Red Day, Dynex Capital had bad earnings, but still paid 17 cents a share a month. SLRC, 10.84% yield, 10 cents a share a month. Like I say, these the kind of plays here you want. When you want cash flow, we'll get some of this one. So this very rare. This one here come down. Usually stay above the $15 mark. OBDC. Think I'm gonna make an exit on a lot of REITs, man. I think the REIT, not the REIT, but the BD section just gonna get whooped. I know everybody hollering about interest rate this and interest rate that, but I don't think that's gonna do too much to help them really, man. But the REIT and the real estate section, I think they're gonna take a hit. Because right now, even if you wanted to buy a house, your interest rate gonna be around like between 6 and 7. That's gonna be the new norm. And like I said, I think it's just gonna get ugly for the future, man. Just being honest. And I'ma just deal with the ETFs, what I want to say, the option income ETFs. And go and just stay with some safe stocks. You know the Magnificent Seven gonna do all right. That's gonna keep the economy going. That in the S&P 500. Waiting on me so I can catch this below the $9 mark. PFLT also pays out every month. Brandywine down 2.3. Oh, finally broke the $3 range. 52-week low 282. See if this gonna come down some more. ABR, we got that BGS Foods. I'm thinking about selling my position in this one too. 17.23% yield though. All I do is keep the dividend, keep it for a dividend play, to be honest. As long as it don't go below the $4 mark, everything will be good. Intel selling off again. They had bad news. Some of their supply problem for the chips. Whatever, man. Let Intel breathe, man. Y'all got to give Intel a chance. Like, people, they be dogging it, man. Redwood Trust down 1.8%. Another dividend play. I mean, if you out of this one, stay out of it. Not no must have. I'm lowering my average cost. Like I said, I'm going to clean up my REIT stuff anyway. And the BDCs. But still not a bad one to have. RVSB, Riverview Bank. No, too high for me to buy. This one, another one I'm going to get rid of and sell. Let me see, Pine down 2.58%. I'm up. Got AFCG, Alpha Gamma. What's the 52-week low? 231, 243. Also a dividend play, IVR. I know I'm up in that one. ORCs. Good with ARR. We didn't get NFLY. We looked at Netflix. Going to pick up some of this here. Netflix gonna be down for a while, but it ain't gonna stay down long. Netflix gonna be a good future stock. Also go get you some Netflix. That's NFLY. Get some NFLX. I forgot to show y'all. It is on my list though. FSK 1422. Thanks pay out every week or every month. Another nice one to have for cash flow. Like I say, when they down, go in there and buy some. This Shamera Investments. This another REIT. 52-week low is $9.85. At least get that around $11. Ain't gonna bother that. Wendy's. I'm waiting on this one to squeeze. When it squeeze, I'm gonna exit my position with Wendy's too. Especially this one. And keep my other ones. I need to lower my average cost in that one. What we did, DEA. Nice quarterly dividend play. About making my exit out of this one. Also, it does have a 8.53% yield. CNOB is the bank stock, if I'm not mistaken. That's when they I got off of what they ended up giving us on the spinoff. We got Bull. Global Medical REIT. 3460, I'm at 3540. BTCC, I did get a buy limit order on the share this today. This does pay out every week. I'm at 2080. Let's see if they're going to let us get a fractional share today. They was before, and they stopped it. So I did pick up a share of this. I'm going to put a buy limit order in for 2088. Like I say, Bitcoin is the long-term play. It says it's going to go to 400, 200, 400,000. I don't want to own a coin. I just want to own these synthetic shares so I can get me some cash flow. Not messing with AMDY. Okay, ARCA, we got all that stuff. NSA is one I added on. That's the storage REIT. I want to say 31.93. I'm at 31.33. That got like a 6% dividend yield. That's why I added it. And that's about it, man. Yep, that's it. Y'all stay cool out. We're warm. You know, we got this polar vortex across the whole United States or East Coast. It's gonna be a cold week this week. The next 7 days, I know Savannah gonna be down in like 29, 25. So y'all stay warm out there, man. Go get your money.